Scholarships are absolutely transformational. They can make a huge difference to a person's life. Normal career path for people of my background, which was blue collar, would be to go into industry at age 15, maybe 16. My father, my brothers worked in the auto industry. I was the first person to get the equivalent of a high school diploma in my family. I had a very good headmaster who suggested from a relatively early age that I ought to think seriously about going to university. Not only go to university, you ought to go to Oxford University, perhaps getting a scholarship. Without that scholarship, I, without a doubt, would not have been able to go to university. Being placed in that very, very diverse environment for the first time in my life allowed me to compare and measure myself and also flourish in that environment. I'm particularly passionate about providing scholarships. The more students we can support, the greater impact we'll be having on society, the greater investment we'll be having in the next generation. I would dearly like people watching this video to think about the investments that can be made by investing in scholarships. And I would urge them to join us, to commit to our students and to invest.